In this video, I'll show you how to fix pink spikes in Roblox. First, open the Start menu and search for Roblox Player. Right-click Roblox Player and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click the Roblox Player shortcut again and select Open File Location once more. This will take you to the folder containing Roblox Player Beta. Now, right-click Roblox Player Beta and select Properties. Go to the Digital Signatures tab, select the available signature, and click Details. Next, click View Certificate, then select Install Certificate. Choose Current User, click Next. Leave. Automatically select the certificate store selected, click Next. And then click Finish. Once you see the message confirming that the import was successful, click OK to close all the windows. Now, launch Roblox again and check if the pink spikes issue has been resolved.